That was good. That was the best one.
Here we go.
What is up, brothers, sisters, moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas? Coming at you today with a little vlog. We just got to the shop here, just loaded up the bike, and yeah, conditions are less than ideal out here, so we're headed down to Alabama for a little bit of southern comfort. We're gonna head down to Mill Creek, Monster Mountain, I think Sand Mountain, and when I say we, buddy Brody, my buddy Bear, but first we're gonna stop in North Carolina and link up with those guys. They're down in Charlotte, and it gives me an opportunity to check something off the bucket list, I guess you could say. I've always wanted to check out the NASCAR shops, JGR. Maybe we can find the JGR motocross test track, so should be a good trip, as long as we're out of this stuff, right? Look at that. That right there is that's a husky in its natural state. Alright, enough of me talking, let's get to it. Look at this guy. Here he is. Nice Tacoma, bro. I liked you better when you had a Ford Ranger.
You didn't do what I said to do. Pull close. Do you need me to do it? Drive a real truck? Big T would love me to drive his truck, huh? Did you get it for the Grom?
The Grom?
Yeah, the Instagram?
I got it for the boob tube.
No, I'm down with my homies. It's the barbecue.
I'd probably could teach you how to cook some good shit too.
I thought so. No.
No?
They're praising me. I was gonna say, Craig's teaching them, bro. My homeboys are praising.
Look at this guy. He's got a brand new truck. Instead of putting his own kid's bike in his truck, he put mine in there.
What the fuck? And I wasn't even gonna take this.
Yeah, what the hell?
There's not a spot on it.
Oh.
The boom's a little what?
Ah. It's a little spicy.
A little wet. Beautiful weather we're having.
Clean. Are we still doing an interview here?
Yeah, dude.
That's nice.
How do you feel about the
Yeah,
125
I don't
in the
like
mud?
center point in the
Oh, dude, she'll eat. She might die, but she'll eat a little bit for them. You know? I mean...
Yeah, that looks like a 125 back there.
Bro, that thing rips.
What's the
New knobbies on
What's the
that.
thought behind bringing the pit bike?
You know,
See, I don't know.
I tried to do some wheelies on it. That's for Craig, honestly. It's alright. He's just trying to rip some laps on the 50. And, just run the camera on
You
it,
have one
dude.
more time up for it.
Nice.
Some new knobs. Get the GoPro guy over here.
What are you doing with your knobs?
Filming. You know what I do with my knobs.
This is that new GoPro 8.
Yep. Give me a review on it. Let's see what you got.
So,
product review.
Dude, honestly, sleek black look, clean screen. Hit that button, we're gonna power up real quick. It's got a gimbal built in.
Nice.
Look at this, just shake it, nothing. So when you're thrusting,
Yep.
no shake, it's all straight.
Yep.
You got the activity, shooting 4K if you want.
You got heart rate built in when you're thrusting?
Yep. And like honestly, save your money. Don't buy Leah products. Buy a GoPro.
I would buy it.
There goes the record button.
I mean, I wouldn't buy. Pretty good, guy. Had to drain the main vein.
What do you think about this puddle right here?
We
We going outside? We're going to splash right through it.
I don't know. I might just sit in the van.
He said we could ride.
Over here.
We're gonna ride some Harleys today. I'm gonna get my hog out
You're gonna get your hog out?
and burn that
Whoa,
trail
guy.
up.
That's nice.
It's so nice out.
Oh my gosh. It's a gravy are hitting me.
Oh yeah,
Wow,
new
this is
mixtape.
great.
It's a good lineup. Look at all these guys.
Get the shot in first.
Getting the shot. Getting the shot.
This is embarrassing.
Now this is dope. Content.
What sorority are you guys in?
Team content.
A1 prep. We're all prepped in for A1, that's for sure. Hopefully it's a butter. Oh,